This is Stacy Machine Tooling, and we make things. We started here in 1986 as a one-man shop, 1,000 square feet. Well, this is 17,000 square feet. We're mainly focused on the medical and aerospace industries. United Launch Alliance, who just launched the Atlas rocket on this last shuttle run to the space station with the supplies. We worked with Ball Aerospace and Department of Energy. We do some government work for them. Maven was the last big project that's out in space right now going around Mars. I say we do hard-to-place items. So when businesses are having a hard time getting somebody to do their work, that's where we come in and we can help them. I always liked making things when I was a kid. My mentor used to say, first you're a mechanic, and then you're a machinist, and then you're a tool maker. So the tool maker, he does it all. The tool makers, we can relate to a lot of other engineer type people, scientists. As a tool maker, I can relate to the medical side of things too. Well, Broomfield has been, I would say, manufacturing friendly. The price of real estate rent was reasonable. So what made Broomfield really attractive for me to begin with, where entrepreneurs can start a business.
Well, here we are on the Samsung, brand new machine center to us, a turning center with live tooling. The workpiece fits in the chuck. It turns, that's why we call it a turning machine. There's the water-soluble coolant that we use to lubricate and cool the cutter as we go. So then there you can see the chuck spinning at a rather high RPM. Okay, so what we're doing here is we have a workpiece in the vise. He's got an indicator on the spindle, what we call the quill, and he is going to be checking for a size, a condition, a form. This is very established equipment. This is something that's been around for a long time. What makes this machine special today is the man that runs it. He is willing to take the time to go through the steps it takes to make it make what he needs.
Oh, this just blows my mind. I love doing math. You're always thinking, there's always something new to learn. Even when some of these guys that have 20, 25 years of experience still learn something new every day.
Electronic discharge machining. What this is a wire-fed electrical sewing machine. The tank is submerged in water. The wire, about 8 thousandths in diameter commonly, gets fed through the machine, and as it's coming through the spindle head itself at a constant feed, it's actually cutting the material with the wire and the electronic discharge as it goes. Now this is a Zeiss measuring CMM. It's being driven by the model and it's operating on its own. Well, the accuracy and the precision is everything. The tolerances are coming down to the 10/10,000ths of an inch, 4 and 5 places to the right of the English decimal. We have to get it right here to make sure that the rocket blasts off as they designed. It's very interesting, fast-paced, high technology. You leave with a great feeling of accomplishment and sense of being a part of a big world that you normally don't get to be with.
This is a job that you can see your results. You get done with a job and you're holding something that's going to go into space or going to be part of something bigger. And when guys make good parts all day and we end up with good product for our customers, and getting delivery on time makes a good day. People go home and they want to come back to work, that's the main thing.